think there's anything weird. There's not much in my fridge.
Oh, it's 2 jars of pesto from Kirkland because I just love it so much.
I have a jar of olive juice that's no olives in it. But I'm saving the juice. I have an idea for like a martini that I want to make, but I haven't made it yet.
I don't know. I'm pretty like normal when it comes to my fridge.
Ask me again what's in my fridge. Okay, so in my freezer, that's where I keep my oil paints so that they don't dry out. And I've had the same paint in my fridge for like 3 months. So that's pretty weird, but artist, right? So
Probably a big bucket of gesso. Because I can't find the lid.
Weirdest thing, well, it is a paintbrush. It's wrapped up in plastic, so I think that's probably it's a wet one, but that's probably it.